it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Jada Kingdom. Only You is an official video. So the comment section, the females, them especially in the comment section, has been beating me bad. Big up on yourself, and know on yourself, big up on yourself. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna jump on that one and do it. This dropped 4 days ago. I did see it, but I was busy doing the war song them, the clash song them. So we're here now with it. Jada Kingdom, Only You. Let's jump in that one and hear when Mama Heavy have to say, let's go. Oh, your bumper so Brad. Oh my God. Give me your number for putting on my SIM card. Them gal they a fraud. Play don't like record. Thank the Lord. You no fucky like dog. You cutie. You mixed with Spanish yard. Picture me and you a fucking on my granny yard. Let's go. Blood clot. Mama. Twinkle, blood clot, twinkle. No man, they Photoshop twinkle by there a while ago. Twinkle, you get back thick again, mama. Bumbo clot. Twinkle, no sir. Yeah, you play tricks for me. Twinkle, you get back thick again, mama. Blood clot, how you drink cement soup? Eh? Mama thick like clock to pussy clot. What you say? Hey! Charlie! Ah. Charlie!
Wait, make it nasty. Yeah, give me that. Take advantage. Good pussy make it not left the yard. Sit.
Me not left yard, mama. Me not left yard. Me not playing a game with my friend. Me like have my phone, put my phone on airplane mode. Anybody want me, them know where I live. Them important enough to know where I live. Me not left yard, mama. Good pussy. Me be antisocial towards my friend them.
Make it nasty. Yeah, give me that. Take advantage. Good pussy make it not left the yard. Set it how you want it. Me get what me want. Me have a little hole for your planting. Just call it your private farm. Only.
Me have a little hole for your planting. Just call it your private. Wait the man. Twinkle. Oh, Bucklad. What, Jada? Why?
Wait, make it nasty. Yeah, give me that. Take advantage. Good pussy make it not left the yard. Set it how you want.
I mean, they are different.
Get what me want. Me have a little hole for your planting. Just call it your private farm. Only you can. Get me wetter than a blood clot damn. Grip your tight like me make a fist and feel like you drop in a quicksand. Only.
Sorry.
You can. Get me wetter than a blood clot damn. Grip your tight like me make a fist and feel like you drop in a quicksand. Only you can. Make me cut left me friends when me roll with. The sex powerful, it controlling. Usually I me run things where the fuck they.
She said only you can make she cut left her friend them when she roll with. Only you can jog her away from her friend them. She become antisocial towards them. She said, friend, I gotta go. She said, friend, I gotta go. I got some important shit to do. I got to go.
The sex powerful, it controlling. Usually I me run things where the fuck they. When you say no, this signal me reach you. Quicker than a shooting star.
I just send out this signal. You know a bad signal you go up in her ear. And you see the bad, as you send out this signal, she reach. Why the signal? What is the signal? Yo, hey, girl, bring the pussy, come and fuck it up. No.
You know it's definitely about representing Jamaica's worst gamer reacts. What a reaction!
What is signal? What is signal? Hey, girl, bring the pussy, come and fuck it out. No. Blood clot. Hey, girl, bring the pussy, come and fuck it out. No.
This sex powerful, it controlling. Usually I'm me run things where the fuck this. When you say no, this signal me reach you.
Reach.
Quicker than a shooting star. Them say every man a dog shit, but you are my favorite thus far.
Them say every man a dog shit. Them say every man a dog shit, but she said she have her favorite thus far. She said, and me her favorite thus far. Yes, the thinking one. The thinking one.
Them say every man a dog shit, but you are my favorite thus far. And you tell me if I hold my own, she not in my league none tall. Take a girl man and take over, twinkle at the biggest bars. $1 billion grip, now be asking for dash money. Choppy line, then he's spending last time money. But love the man, cause him not run no joke about me. Tire boat on my front, it's a gift for real. Send out the best bitch you got and see. Can't take my position, she could a deal. And me make him know how butterfly feel. Anything him say, that me I work with. Wait, make it nasty. Yeah, give me that.
Yo, we're not telling you lie. Yo, we're not telling you lie. Jada and the rest of the girl in this video look like some girl you see in some magazine where sometimes you just back left plot. Did I just say that? No.
Yeah, give me that.
No, I didn't say that.
Pussy make you not left the yard. Set it how you want it. Me get one more pound. Me have a little hole for your planting. Just call it your private farm. Only you can. Get me wetter than a blood clot dam. Grip your tight like me make a fist and feel like you drop in a quicksand. Only you can. Let me cut left me friends who me roll with. The sex powerful, it controlling. Usually I'm me run things where the fuck this. Passenger princess on the front seat. While him and drive me get me titty squeeze. Open up my legs, now him a rush to reach. Me make him enjoy life, it's that deep. He's gonna go the extra mile for me.
I could have made us a drive so. Just a drive so with the right hand and half your left hand over here so. In a breast. Yes. In a no, not in a pum pum. Come I have to touch back the steering wheel and that means the steering wheel that got grounds. Come I might get something no, left apart there. So yeah, just keep it on the breast. Keep it on the breast, man. Keep it on the breast.
Men enjoy life, it's that deep. He's gonna go the extra mile for me. Why would I worry about any other bitch? Him up here with me and it is what it is. Anything him say, that me I work with. Wait, make it nasty. Yeah, give me that. Take advantage. Good pussy make you not left the yard. Set it
Boy, be a queen.
Get one more pound. Me have a little hole for your planting. Just call it your private farm. Only you can. Get me wetter than a blood clot dam.
Boy, be a queen.
Tight like me make a fist and feel like you drop in a quicksand. Only you can. Bet me cut left me friends when me roll with. The sex powerful, it controlling. Usually I'm me run things where the fuck this. Like a movie scene. This is the part where we fall in love. And if it's a lucid dream, please don't wake me up, cause it just feels too real. I got alone can't come tell me if you ignore it. But even after that they gon' see. No girl can't take the blood clot man from me. Only you can. Get me wetter than a blood clot dam. If you're tight like me make a fist and feel like you drop in a quicksand. Only you can. Let me go left me friends when me roll with. This is full of controlling. Usually I'm me run things with the fuck.
No, I never big up yourself, man, Jade. Big up yourself. No, I never team. Jada Kingdom is most man fetish. It's most man fantasy. Jada Kingdom is that. Yeah, Jada Kingdom bad. Jada Kingdom look good. Jada Kingdom sing good. Jada Kingdom just Jada Kingdom like fucking hell. She just Jada Kingdom like fucking hell, mate. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like I said, Jada Kingdom is like a girl we see in our magazine and just when I said it again, fuck, I said it already. No, left that alone. You just perverted. Yeah, the video bad, but I like the video clean. Yes, Mama Heavy. Bull be a queen. What you guys think about the video though? The song bad. The song bad. The song bad. I thought Jada said she was done with music. I'm like, Jada, please don't be done with music, Mama. Cause Mama Heavy your name, Mama Heavy. Blood clot. What would I do to be driving with my right and having my left hand and Jada Kingdom breast? I need flour. I'm more massage and I need flour. While Jada Kingdom pum pum I get where I left that. I go too far.
You know it's definitely about representing Jamaica's worst. Game reacts. What a reaction!
Yeah, man, say. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, yeah, man. Me gone. My blood clot gone. You alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.